Welcome back to the moral science class 9. We are already the half of the chapter we have finished. That is chapter 1. The angel came and Abu had a nice dream, great dream, and angel he carried a golden book and he was writing a name who is very close to the god. And when Abu asked that his name was there or not, then he actually, in a witty way, told Abu that his name was not there. Then the next day again Abu and he was disappeared. But the thing, Abu was not disappointed with the reply of the angel. He spoke up again to the angel, happy as ever. He spoke a low voice without losing his hope and peace. He said, I pray you then write me as one that loves his fellow men. The angel wrote something and quickly vanished from the room. Abu woke up from the sleep undisturbed because he thought that what he was doing is for good for man. He didn't want to flush out his name. And then next day the angel again appeared, Abu, with a great awakening light. You should first of all page number this 7. You keep your book with you and a pencil. I am emphasizing the story. You will go read line wise. Okay. So again he came, and that the angel opened the book of gold and showed Abu the long list, a great joy of people whom the love of God had blessed. And the surprise was there. Abu's name was on the top because Abu was really a kind hearted person who got pleasure to help the poor. So, this part you have to read line by line, especially I'm underlining which sentence you should read it. Okay, now come to the question answer part. I have written some question and answer. You just go through. I am holding the play. Listen, children, students. First, I'm telling you, might be you cannot see very in a very clear way, but you just pay attention. Chapter 1, page number 8. First question is, describe in your own words the actions of Franklin towards the poor. First, we read about Franklin. So, I'm going through. Franklin had a generous heart towards others. Often, he would store something at home and carry that along for them. He felt happy when he offered something for the poor. He gave away the biscuit packet to the beggar. I am holding, you see, and then write. This is question number 1. I hope you have read it already. Now, question number 2 from the book. What made about Ben Aden a happy and contented person? Abu Ben Aden was about a devout and God-fearing man. He loved God and showed it in his works of kindness towards humanity. He shared greater part of his earnings for charity. He went to sleep a happy and contented person daily. See and write. This is question number 2. This is question number 2. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Narrate the dream of Abu Ben Adam. One night Abu said his prayers as usual and went to sleep. He had a great dream. It was a moonlight night. A great angel of God appeared to him. He carried a large golden book. The angel gave a pleasant look of approval and a heavenly smile. This is the dream. Please go through and write. Now the last question. The last answer is, it's little longer. I am going through. You please pay attention. That is, the angel appeared towards first day. The question is, when does the true worship of God become complete? The angel appeared towards death's first day. He carried a golden book to write the names of those who love the Lord. This is the first paragraph. Then, actually, the first day he wrote the name of Abu, but he examined. He had taken test. Abu was not disappointed when he heard that his name was not there. Then finally, next day, I hope you can see. Then finally, next day, angel appeared and told Abu that Abu bin Adam's name was the first in the list of persons who the love of God had blessed. Okay, the next question I will go through again. I am holding this. Please write, when does the true worship of God become complete? You have to explain that angel appeared with a golden book. Actually, first day he wrote his name, but he wanted to examine. He didn't flash it. He didn't disclose that Abu's name was on the top. He wanted to take a test that Abu was really loving the poor, or he wanted to show. But that Abu proved that he truly loved poor, because he was not disappointed when he saw that when he heard that his name was not on the top. But next day, the angel proved that his name was on the top. That is, Adam's name was the first in the list of the persons whom the love of God had blessed. I hope you all have loved this story. This story is full of moral values. So children, try to make yourself like Abu, and every day that part you should read, that is the dream part and the charitable work. For today, bye-bye.